Journalists.
I think we can give one mic.
Check.
Yeah.
Hi Ritik,
Hi,
Sonam.
Ritik. Nilesh
Hi.
here from Think Market Magazine.
Which magazine?
Think Market Magazine.
Pink Market. Okay.
Think Market.
Think Market.
Think Market.
I was like,
Yeah.
Think Market.
Got it.
Yeah. The question is to the both of you. What are your earlier memories of this original version of the song?
I think what I remember is going completely crazy about the entire album of the film, Ashiki. And it kind of became a rage at that time. And Dheere Dheere, I remember, was one of my favorite songs at that point of time. It became like a kind of a phase in life. You know how you have a memory of a certain song that identifies a phase in your life. So yeah, that's my association with it.
Sonam, yours?
Can she answer her question, please?
I was 4 years old when the song came out, so I don't have much of a memory, but I love like retro music, and so whenever I heard it when I was like a bit older, I really loved the song, and I thought Anu Agarwal, I think she was, yeah, and I thought she was really styled beautifully in the film. If you go back to it, it's quite gorgeous, and she was really elegant, and obviously the music was really beautiful. So I love that song, and it's you reminisce about like those days, and I know there's a sequence where he's walking on the parapet on Juhu, and I was like, oh my God, you could shoot there, and the beach looks completely empty when you see the video. I was like, oh, that's how Juhu used to actually look like. So it brings back old memories, but I mean, that was when I heard it when I was much older.
Hi Ritik, hi Sonam. Alok this side.
Hi, Alok.
Hi. सवाल मेरा ये है कि इस गाने को अगर किसी को आप डेडिकेट करना चाहें, धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, तो आप दोनों किस किस को डेडिकेट करेंगे ये गीत?
यार फिलहाल मेरी जिंदगी में तो ऐसा कोई नहीं है that I can dedicate this song to. But जब होगा तो I will tell you.
Ditto. I'm single and very ready to mingle right now.
नहीं कोई भी हो सकता, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि कोई particular.
I mean, he's dedicating it to his dad, so I think that's
I think it's
enough.
appropriate to say we all are dedicating this to his father.
Yeah.
जी मिस्टर कुमार आपसे भी सवाल था कि ये जब आशिकी एल्बम आई थी इसके सारे गाने सुपर डुपर हिट हैं, आपका कोई पर्टिकुलर गाना या पिताजी ने आपको कोई गाना बताया हो जिसका जिक्र आप करना चाहें आज?
एक्चुअली पापा ने मुझे ये फर्स्ट एल्बम मतलब मुझे पर्सनली रिलीज से पहले, उस टाइम रिलीज से पहले सुनने का बहुत क्रेज़ होता था, तो मुझे बिकॉज माय फादर वाज द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी, तो 15-20 दिन पहले ही मुझे कैसेट्स मिल जाती थी. उस टाइम कैसेट होती थी, आई थिंक सीडी नहीं आई थी. तो ये कैसेट मुझे आज भी याद है. आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग विद हिम टू द एयरपोर्ट एंड ही प्लेड मी दिस साउंड ट्रैक. सारे गाने उन्होंने मुझे प्ले किए थे एंड ही वाज सो श्योर अबाउट दिस कि ये एल्बम विल बी live for hundreds of years, and that's what's happening. It's 25 years of Ashiki and music is still doing so well. Means till today we sell the original Ashiki.
Ritik and Sonam, hi. On your left, hi, I'll stand up. I'm Karmik Verma from ikarmik.com. The song is Dheere Dheere, लेकिन आजकल की generation slow में ज़रा believe नहीं करती है. So what is the message that you would like to give to everybody who's social media savvy today and everybody who is busy with their fast-paced lives with respect to this song? A more philosophical take.
To each his own, yeah. You want to go slow, you go slow. They want to go fast, let them go fast. Yeah.
Just hashtag it. I think you're right. But I love being on social media. I think it's a great way to connect to people. The world has become smaller and you get a lot of information and a lot of unnecessary information, a lot of great information. But I think people do know how to smell the roses, special kind of people, maybe not in the cities. But I think it's, like he said, it's each to each, it's everybody's an individual choice. And I take it very slow in life. So it depends on person to person.
Hi Ritik sir, this is Karan from Lemon News. I just want to ask you one question because भूषण सर ने ये जो गाना डेडिकेट किया है अपने डैड को किया है एंड यू आर वेल नोन कि आप भी अपने डैड के बहुत डियर हो. तो जब आप ये शूट कर रहे थे, आप दोनों ही शूट कर रहे थे, आपको अपने डैड का कितना रिमेम्बरेंस है माइंड में?
यार मेरे सामने there was Sonam, so dad was absolutely not there. believe
Dad
me.
was not there.
Not there at all.
मतलब उस टाइम के लिए डैड चले गए और बाद में डैड याद आए।
आपको मुझे लगता है आपको अपने डैड की बहुत याद आ रही है इस
बिल्कुल
वक्त।
सर, बिल्कुल। जाहिर सी बात है, आप यंगस्टर्स के लिए इतनी बड़ी इंस्पिरेशंस हो, तो आप अगर अपने डैड के इतने क्लोज हैं, तो आपको देखने के बाद हम अपने डैड के क्लोज तो रहेंगे रहेंगे।
No, that's very sweet. But नहीं, इस गाने के दौरान I did not think about my father at all.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
भूषण जी, रितेश फ्रॉम ईटीवी, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आपके दिमाग में ये दोनों कैरेक्टर थे जब आप ये गाना बन रहा था, जैसे ऋतिक रोशन और सोनम कपूर, जब भी गाने की रिक्रिएशन की बात हो रही थी हनी सिंह से, तो ये दोनों लोग थे उस समय आपके?
नहीं, उस समय नहीं थे। उसके बाद हमने जब गाना बन गया उसके बाद डिसाइड किया था।
Ritik sir, during this video song, there was a scene where Sonam is telling you that particular wardrobe is not matching you, and he's doing like this. Did you find any resemblance with your first movie where you, when you met Amisha for the first time in the scene, and you said this one is not looking nice, and you did like this? Did you find any resemblance?
I said I don't like the car. I prefer a bicycle. That's what I said. I didn't think
Okay,
about
but
it.
did you remember any scene or any?
No. But now I did. Thanks.
Thank you.
Bhushan ji, to your right. Sorry, left. Here.
Okay.
Why is Honey Singh not around? I mean, is he all right? We have not seen him in the limelight for a long time.
See, he's not keeping too well, but he has sent his best wishes for the song today.
So what's wrong with him? What is wrong with his health?
No, he's just not well. Means that is his personal thing. Means I can't disclose that here. But he's improving day by day, and he just spoke to me in the morning to wish me best of luck for the song, because this song is his very close song to him. So that's why he just sent me the good wishes.
And who will we see opposite Hrithik in Ashiki 3?
What? Ashiki 3? You want me to do it? Okay, I'll think about it.
So is it finalized? Bhushan ji? Bhushan sir, आपका जवाब?
We are
See,
working.
I've loved him so much as a producer that I have myself have gone to him and said that you have to produce a film for me now. So let him think, give him some time.
Hrithik, Bang Bang 2 is happening, but you're not there. Lots of fans are disappointed. So what do you have to say?
What do I say? Why they didn't take me, I don't know. Ask them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hrithik, yeah.
Guys, just a request. Please, let's just keep questions with relation to the video and the music.
Okay, there's also a buzz that Hrithik, yeah.
Before we go ahead, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the man behind the video also, Mr. Ahmad Khan.
The director has come the last. All the questions were for you only. We've been answering for you. So now, please.
Hrithik, yeah. Just continuing that thing. There is a buzz that you have been approached for Nikhil Advani's next, but you haven't given the nod yet for that. So, no.
I'll tell you after we talk about Dhiri Dhire.
All right, sure.
Let's just keep the questions to the music.
हेलो भूषण जी, दिस इज राजेंद्र सिंह फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन, इधर आपके राइट साइड में।
जी
ये जो अब गाना था हनी जी ने जो गाया
जी,
ये आइडिया किसका था कि इतना जो स्टाइल था दूसरा स्टाइल में गाया करते थे पहले, मेलोडी में गाया उन्होंने जो कि अच्छा गाया, किसका आइडिया था ये
उन्हीं का आइडिया था। उन्होंने ही बोला कि मुझे इस टाइप का एक गाना आपके फादर के लिए करना है, एंड इनिशियली उन्होंने ये आइडिया बनाया, देन ही प्लेड मी। 2 महीने बाद उसके उन्होंने मुझे ये आइडिया प्ले किया एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट, एंड उसके बाद ये गाना कंपोज हुआ पूरी तरह।
अच्छा गाना।
भूषण सर, आपके लेफ्ट अमित कर्ण फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण। सर
I've had one film, which Ranjana was 100 crores, right? Bhag Milkha. Yeah, I don't even remember what numbers my films do because I really don't think about it too much. Yeah, but I guess, I don't know. I hope whatever, it does well for the producers. And I'm doing another film with Fox, so it better do well. for the producers. I don't know, man. I've just worked hard, and I hope it does well. It's Salman Khan. I'm sure it's going to open to some ridiculous figures. No. I think you're talking about another actress. People get confused a lot of the times. I don't know why. I'm doing just 2 films right now. I'm doing Prem Ratan and I'm doing Neerja, and both of them are with Fox. And yeah, I'm set for the next 1 year at least. After that, God knows.
हेलो भूषण सर, आपके लिफ्ट अमित कर्ण फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण। सर एक और फिल्म है तुम बिन, उसके गाने भी लोग आज बहुत मिस करते हैं, और अनुभव सर ने भी कहा था कि उसकी सीक्वल्स को लेकर कुछ मतलब बातें हैं क्या?
अभी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट धीरे धीरे, तो आई थिंक उसके बारे में बात करेंगे जब हम अनाउंस करेंगे।
उसकी उम्मीद करें हम लोग कि मतलब उसकी सीक्वल पॉसिबल है?
ज़रूर कर सकते हैं, आपकी उम्मीद पे मैं तो रोक नहीं डाल सकता।
और अच्छा, और इस गाने के जो